Hi, hello. This is Kiran Anishetti, Faculty for Polity, Governance, Political Science and Public Administration Optionals. I have been training UPSC aspirants for the past 10 years. I have done my MBA from Usmania University. I have done my MA in Political Science and Public Administration. Both the subjects I have qualified UGC NET, and I have done my LLB as well. I have been training UPSC aspirants in various parts of the country, such as Hyderabad, Delhi, Bangalore, Bombay, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, and etc. I have successfully trained more than 40 aspirants of UPSC who got into IAS, IPS, IRS and Group 1 services. In this brief session, we are going to discuss why Ekam IAS. What is uniqueness about Ekam IAS? Why an aspirant of UPSC should join in Ekam IAS? First and foremost reason that I adduce, in Ekam IAS, faculty are recruited purely based on merit, knowledge, skills and expertise, without any bias in favor or against any caste, region, religion, language, etc. Unfortunately, with my experience, I can say in more than 90-95% of the institutions which are in civils training, they do not recruit faculty on merit. Second reason why Ekam IAS, we delve deep into the subject. We teach the subject from conceptual clarity with comparative analysis. Our material, both printed as well as class material, are grand testimony to this fact. We delve deep into the subject, any subject, and it is, as I told you already, clearly evident from our material, our videos. Third, why Ekam IAS? Here the management does not restrict the faculty to complete the subject in limited number of hours. For instance, for polity and governance, even in so-called reputed institutions, only 80 hours or 70 hours are given, both polity and governance put together. But here, more than 130-140 hours have been given to me so that I can cover the subject comprehensively from prelims as well as mains perspective. When the faculty is forced to complete the subject in restricted number of hours, he will be virtually goaded to complete the topic or the subject only from prelims perspective. When the faculty is given ample room by not restricting him to number of hours within which he has to or she has to complete the syllabus, we will have ample opportunity to teach the subject comprehensively in in-depth manner. Fourth, why Ekam IAS? Integrated test series. Regular tests are integrated with the main course without paying extra money in order to hone your writing skills, in order to galvanize, to prepare adequately on UPSC lines, to constantly train you, which is very, very important for UPSC exam. Fifth, why Ekam IAS? A group of experts will be guiding you as mentors constantly. Whenever you have any doubt, any problem with regard to your preparation, you can approach our institution. This is how Ekam IAS provides value addition to the hard-earned money of your parents. We cherish your success. We have empathy for you and for for your family members. Hence, I earnestly request, consider this institute to make your path to Mussoorie easier. Thank you.